So in this video, we are going to learn ELK stack, that is Elastic Stack. Okay, that means Elastic Search, Logstash, and Kibana. So here we are going to learn this ELK stack and exploring how these powerful tools work together to enhance log management. So let's start. So here the first is, what is Elastic Stack? Okay. So Elasticsearch is a powerful trio open source tools designed for log management and analysis, and it consists of three main components, right? That Elasticsearch, your search and analytics engine, then Logstash is data collection and processing, then Kibana is visualization and dashboard, and here that optional is bits. Okay, the bits is lightweight and data simples. Okay, so here they together they provide the comprehensive solution for collecting, storing, searching, and visualizing log data. Okay, so let's start. So in simple word, what is Elasticsearch? So Elasticsearch, commonly known as ELK stack, that is a collection of open source tools for searching, analyzing, and visualizing log data in real time. Okay, so there is a four. Okay, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Bits. Okay, then here here I mentioned why use we Elasticsearch. So why we use Elasticsearch? So there is a uh, first is scalability, then real-time analysis, flexibility, open source, and security and observability. Okay, so scalability is Elasticsearch can handle large-scale data ingestion and inquiry queries, making it suitable for high-volume environments. Then real-time analysis, it enables fast searching, filtering, and visualization of data, allowing for quick insight and decision making. Then flexibility, Elasticsearch supports multiple data, includes logs. Sorry, data source include logs, metrics, and network traffic, and providing a comprehensive monitoring solution. Then open source. So it is a freely available with enterprise grade features, making it cost effective solution for business of all sizes. Then last is security and observability. So Elasticsearch provides end-to-end monitoring and security analytics, ensuring system integrity and performance. So that's the reason that we are going to use Elasticsearch. Okay, it's scalable, then it's flexible, then it's open source and security and observability. Okay. Next is Ira mentioned components of Elasticsearch. So some components of Elasticsearch as first is Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Bits. So in short, let's understand what is Elasticsearch components. Okay, and then we are going to learn in detail. Okay, so now let's understand in short. So what is Elasticsearch? So Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics engine. In short, okay. Then what is Logstash? A Logstash is a pipeline for collecting, processing, and forwarding logs. Then Kibana, Kibana is a visualization tool for exploring Elasticsearch data. Okay, so in Kibana we have learned many dashboards. We check the logs and so on, right? Okay, then Bits. So Bits is a lightweight agent that collects data from servers and send it to Logstash or Elasticsearch. Okay, so that's the component of Elasticsearch. So we are going to learn in detail. Okay, now let's understand what is Elasticsearch. That the component of ELK. Okay, so first is, what is Elasticsearch? So Elasticsearch is a distributed search and analytics engine that stores and index your data. Okay, and retrieve data efficiently. Okay, and Elasticsearch allows for real-time search and analysis and making it incredibly fast and scalable. And think of it as the powerful houses where all your logs data is stored and indexes for quickly retrieval. Okay, That's the Elasticsearch. Okay. It's a distributed search and analytics engine that indexes and retrieves data efficiently. And some core features of Elasticsearch are near real-time indexing and search, horizontal scalability, then high availability, okay, and then RESTful API for queries. Then use case of Elasticsearch is full text search. That example is e-commerce applications. Okay, or e-commerce, and then structured analytics, that example is business metrics, and time series that data, that's logs and metrics, okay, that we have learned in previous video, right? That logs metrics, okay. So that's the use cases of Elasticsearch. The next is Logstash. So what is Logstash? So Logstash is a data pipeline that ingests, transforms, and send data to Elasticsearch. Okay. And it collects logs from various sources, parses and enriches them and send them to Elasticsearch for storage. And it's highly configurable and support a wide range of input and output plugins. So Logstash is simply a data collections and processing pipeline that injects, transform, and forward data to Elasticsearch. Okay. So there are core features. Some core features of Logstash are input plugins that collect data that like files, Kafka, and databases, and filter plugin parse, example graph, enrich mutable data. Then output plugins are sent to Elasticsearch, that S3 and etc. Okay, that's the some core features of Logstash. The next one is Kibana. So what is Kibana? So as you know, Kibana is a visualization tool, right, for exploring Elasticsearch. Okay, so Kibana is a visualization layer of Elasticsearch, or it connects to Elasticsearch and provides a user-friendly interface for querying, analyzing, and visualizing your data. So with Kibana, you can create interactive data dashboards, right? Charts and graphs to gain insight from your log data. So we have learned in previous session, we have checked the graphs, metrics, and logs in Kibana, right? That charts, dashboard. Okay. So in simple words, Kibana is a visualization tool for exploring Elasticsearch data through dashboards and charts. Okay. Then here I mentioned some core features of Kibana. So it's discover, that ad hoc querying, visualizing, build charts, graphs. Okay. Then dashboards, combining visualizations, and dev tools, that querying Elasticsearch directly. And advanced tool in Kibana like machine learning and maps. Okay. Then is bits. So bits is a lightweight agent that collect logs, metrics, and network data for forwarding to Elasticsearch or Logstash. Okay, so bits is popular for file bit, log file, then metric bit like system or application system metrics, then packet bits, network traffic, and win log bit, that Windows event logs. And the key advantages of bits is low resource uses. Okay, so that's the bits. Okay, so we have learned that Kibana, Logstash, Bits, and Elasticsearch. That's a component of ELK stack. Okay. Now the next is architecture of Elastic Stack. Okay. So let's check for once. Let's check. So first of all, in this architecture is data source, right? Then in this data source, file bit, herd bit, packet bit, audit bit, wing log bit, functional bit, and metric bit. Okay, so that's the bits. So then it's a ship. Okay, first of all, simple structure data. Then it goes to the visualize. Okay, then it's complex unstructured or raw data to the Logstash, and Logstash to the Elasticsearch to the form of parse, filter, and transform, and then go to the visualize to the Kibana. Okay. So let's understand for one by one. So first of all, let's check data source and bits. That file bit and so on. Okay, so first of all, in this file bit, so data source and bits is, so bits collects and ship data from various sources. Okay, simple structure, simple structured data is sent directly to the Elasticsearch. Okay, then complex unstructured or raw data is first sent to the Logstash. Okay, as you can see here, first of all, this ship, right? So it's ship, it's simple structured data that sends directly to the Elasticsearch. Okay, and then it's complex unstructured or raw data that is first sent to the Logstash. Okay, then Logstash process filter and transform raw data before sending it to the Elasticsearch. Okay, first is parse, filter, and transform to the data, and then send to the Elasticsearch. Right. Okay, then Elasticsearch store and index the process data here. Okay, here Elasticsearch stores and index the process data, and then Kibana visualize the store data for analysis. Okay, so then Elasticsearch send to the Kibana to visualize the data. Okay, so that's the architecture of Elasticsearch. And here in this data source and bits, let's understand these bits. So first is file bit. So what is file bit? So the file bit works is collect and forward log file from application, service, and system logs. Okay, that's the working of this file bit. Then next is packet bit. Packet bit capture network traffic and provides insight into network activity. Okay, then next is Winglog bit. So Winglog bit specially designed to collect Windows event logs. Okay, in this name Winlog bits, you can see Windows event logs. Okay, then next is metric bit. Metric bit gathers system and service level performance, metrics, memory, disk uses. Then heartbeat checks the availability and response time for services and endpoints. The next is audit bit. Audit bit monitors audit log for security and compliances insight. And in last, function bit. So function bit works that collect logs and metrics from cloud-based services like AWS Lambda. Okay, so that's the Elastic Stack architecture design. Okay, as you can see. Okay. The next is use case of Elastic Stack. Okay, so as you can see here mentioned, these use cases of Elastic Stack is, first is log and event monitoring. So it's centralized logging for application and servers, security analytics, instructions detection and threat analysis, then business intelligence that analyzing trends as business metrics, application performance monitoring, it's tracking applications behavior and performance, infrastructure monitoring that tracking servers, containers, and cloud resources. And the last use case of Elasticsearch is product search and recommendation engine that enhancing e-commerce and content discovery. Okay, that's the some use cases of Elasticsearch. Then key benefits of Elasticsearch. So the first benefit is real-time insights. So in this Elastic Stack, the real-time insight insists that access to log and event data. Then scalability. So Elastic Stack handles large-scale data efficiently. Flexibility. Elastic Stack works across various industries. So it's flexible. Elastic Stack is flexible. Why? Because it works across various industries. Then powerful search capabilities. So Elastic Stack quickly find information that you need to full text search and advanced query option. So that's why it's the powerful search capabilities. Then visualization. So it's custom dashboard and reports, that is Kibana. Kibana is a visualization tool. Okay. Then open source, it's free strong community support. Then machine learning, it detects anomalies and patterns in your data. And in last, security. So Elastic Stack secure, manage, and protect your data. It's very secure. Elastic Stack is a secure, okay, that protect your data. So that's the benefits of your Elastic stack. Okay. Then the com- uh, competitors of Stack. Okay. So here is plug, features rich but expensive, best for large enterprises. Then data talks. It's cloud-based observability platforms like SaaS SaaS model. Okay, then Sumo Logic, a cloud-native logging and security analytics platform. Then Greylog, it's open source log management alternative, and Loki, that means in Grafana. Okay, designed for log aggregation but lacks full text search like Elasticsearch. And in last is New Relic, APM and observability tool focused on application performance. Okay, that's the competitors of Elastic Stack. Then is Elastic Stack marketplace position. So as you can see, Elasticsearch has a significant presence in the hosted search market, holding a 33.65% market share and competing with other tools in the category. Okay, so as you can see here, option growth, then use case dimension, cloud and hybrid demand, competitive edge. Okay, so the growth is 100 million plus downloads. Okay, and popular in mid market and enterprises. Okay, and the use case of domains is for centralized logging and top three of SIEM with elastic security. Then cloud and hybrid demand, Elastic Cloud SaaS growing at 50% YOY year of year. Okay, and integrates with AWS, Azure, and GCP. Okay, and competitive edges, developer friendly, REST APIs, Kibana UI, and community support 100K plus, GitHub stars, and active firms. So that's the marketplace position of Elastic Stack. Okay, so that's it. So in this session, we have learned what is Elastic Stack, ELK, then what the component of ELK like Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, Bits. Okay, then we have learned one by one in detail Kibana, Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Bits, and the benefits of Elastic Stack, use case of Elastic Stack, the market position of Elastic is stack, and so on the details about the Elastic Stack. So thank you for watching, and I hope you understand.